All right, so we're going to be swapping out that windscreen with this windscreen. I've already started. Pull out that screw. Pull out that screw. Go through a 5mm. Now we're going to work on these mirrors, which I just put these mirrors on, so it should be easy to get them off. All right, as you can see, I got one mirror off. The other mirror's unhooked. Just gonna pry out the rubber. Use the end of my T5. Get that rubber to come out. So that way we can grab that, pull that, and we're gonna pull our wires out. And as you can see, when I redid my mirrors, I wanted to use factory plugs. So I cut the plugs off of the old mirror, left enough room on both, so if I need to connect them back, I can. And then I've got this here, where I just got to undo this from this, and then I can finish taking that off. All right, there's plenty of videos out there on how to take these things off. It's really simple. They just pop off. Come up here, grab it like that, pop it, get this over here, pop that, then you come up towards the middle, and you pop it just like that. And that's how you get that off. It's just some clips, simple. So if you have to change your fairings out, that's how you do it. All right, now that I got those off, see, fairings are off. Things are off. I already took that one screw out. I'm gonna take this screw out. Super easy. Go on and do that. And that should allow for this to just pop off. All right. Just like that. You see that down at the bottom? I had to kind of pull down so that we could get it to come off. Now it's the new one's turn. So I'm gonna put this on and then I'm gonna show you the result. All right, there she is. Black windscreen. Oh, that looks good. It's gonna look so much better when all that silver's gone too. And I got that black, all black. This fairing should be in this week. Can't wait. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up and put my mirrors back on. And then I'll show you one last shot. All right. Finished products. All black windscreen. Nasty. That looks so much better. Everything back on. Everything's back on. Looks good. I like it. I like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. All right.